Welcome to Happy Hour. We're making holiday drinks here at our holiday office party. This week, we're making an exciting one that is very light and not fattening at all. It's an eggnog drink. I'm kidding. It's the Clark W. Griswold. In a shaker full of ice, please add the following. 2 ounces of bourbon. We're going to use Elijah Craig because it is a particularly sharp, peppery bourbon. Boom. 2 ounces eggnog. We're using Oakhurst because it's local. You can even go more local than Oakhurst. Small farm local, I mean. And then we're going to grate in some nutmeg. I have microplane here. I have a mixture of whole spice and ground spice already. So we're going to grate in some nutmeg. Great. And cinnamon. And allspice is tiny, so I bought pre-ground. Just do a little zhuzh in there. That'll do. That'll do. Shake it like it owes you money. Oh wait, strainer. And then strain into a rocks glass filled with ice. We'll garnish it with a cinnamon stick. Let's take a sip. It's good. It's good. Eggnog is so heavy. I like eggnog, but I can have like one. We went half and half on the bourbon and the eggnog just to spread it out a little bit. Also to give it a little more kick so you're not drinking like a pint of eggnog and a little bit of bourbon. And yeah, I mean, we could have put in more of the warming spice. You could put in less. I find, well, I put in the right amount because I did it and I like it and I made this drink for me. You make the drink for you. This is the Clark W. Griswold, and this has been Happy Hour, brought to you by Maine Spirits. You can learn more about this drink and many other drinks at mainspirits.com. You can download their app for your smartphone. That's a smart move. Why? What to buy, where to buy it, and what to do with it once you get it. You can follow them on Instagram at Maine_spirits, and they have a YouTube channel at Maine Spirits. Check it out. Tons of content. But no matter what you do, please, especially during the holiday seasons, drink deliciously and responsibly.